Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you might fix the Discord not opening problem on your PC. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open your PC and try to open Discord. If it doesn't open up but the icon is being shown over here, right click on it and you can see check for updates option. Go ahead and click on check for updates. This is the first thing you want to do. Once go ahead and try to check updates, and if it opens up, your problem is solved. If it is still not opening, click on quit Discord and quit Discord for once. The next step you want to do is go to run. After you go to run, search for %temp% and click OK. Then you can see all of this cache memory. Go ahead and click on Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now click Shift Delete on your keyboard once again and hit the enter button. Then click on this box and click skip. Wait for a while and all the cache memory will be cleared. Now let's go ahead and try opening Discord. If this opens up, your problem is solved. Or else you can just go ahead and uninstall Discord from your PC and download it from its official website anytime. So this is how you might fix the Discord not opening problem. If you still have any kind of confusion about such videos, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.